In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in Canva. Sticky notes are a simple but powerful way to organize ideas, give feedback, or plan projects visually. Whether you're brainstorming, storyboarding, or collaborating with a team, knowing how to quickly add and use sticky notes can make your Canva designs much more interactive and clear. First, open the Canva design where you want to add your sticky notes. This can be any type of design, like a presentation, whiteboard, or custom canvas. Once your design is open, look toward the left-hand side or the top menu depending on your layout, and find the option labeled Tools. It may sit alongside other options like Elements, Text, or Projects. Go ahead and click on Tools. This is where Canva groups helpful features that go beyond basic shapes and text, including things made for planning and collaboration. After you click on Tools, a panel will open showing different options. In this list, look for Sticky Notes. The naming might be straightforward, simply saying sticky notes, and it usually has a small icon that looks like a note or a square. Click on sticky notes to open the available styles. Once you've opened the sticky notes section, you'll see different note designs you can choose from. These might be in various colors, shapes, or layouts, like single notes or clusters. Take a moment to scroll through and pick the one that best suits what you're working on. For example, you might choose a bright color to highlight important ideas, or a softer tone for supporting notes. When you find the style you like, simply click on it to select it. As soon as you select a sticky note, Canva will place it onto your design canvas. From here, you can click and drag it to move it exactly where you want it. You can use the corners to resize it, making it larger for longer text or smaller if you just need a short label. Then double-click on the sticky note to start typing your content, like ideas, reminders, or comments. You can duplicate sticky notes to keep your layout consistent, change colors to categorize information, and align them neatly to create structured boards. That's all you need to start adding sticky notes in Canva and use them to organize your thoughts visually and efficiently.